Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial. Today we are going to be looking at a mobility exercise for our scapula. If you're wondering what the heck are scapula, I'll tell you. They are triangular shaped bones on our back. They make up part of our shoulder joint and they have a lot of different ways that they can move. A lot of different ways that we often don't explore. So I'll just go over the movement in the scapula and then I'll show you the exercise we'll do to work on those. Scapula can retract, which means they pull together in the back. They can protract, which means they wrap around the rib cage coming forward. They can elevate, they can depress, and they can also rotate. In this exercise, we're not going to look at rotation so much. We're going to look at protraction, retraction, elevation, and depression. With this mobility drill, we want to keep everything in our body that we're not isolating perfectly still, so our arms are going to be by our sides. Keep your core slightly engaged, hold some tension in your body. Let's start by driving the shoulders up towards the ears, as high as they can go. Then squeeze the shoulder blades together and back. Slide them down your back, and then forward. Up. That's elevation, retract, pull them together, depress the scapula, slide them down the back, and then protract, wrap them around the rib cage, bringing the shoulders forward. Up, together, down, forward. Up, together, down, and forward. Feel free, if you're doing this on your own, to pause the video, go through maybe 5-10 cycles of this. I'll just show you the reverse. You're going to start with the shoulder blades depressed, so pulling down, squeeze them together, retraction, lift them up, shoulders towards your ears, protract, slide them forward, then down. Together, up, forward, down. Together, up, forward, down. Perfect. That is a great exercise to do before you start doing any sort of strength training or calisthenics or really any sort of exercise. That'll help get all the muscles that are involved with the scapula, which ultimately helps stabilize the shoulder, gets those working, gets those involved. Another great exercise to do if you've been sitting a lot, because this will move some of the muscles in the mid-back and the upper back, which, if you're sitting and your head's forward a lot, that's going to be pulling on those muscles. So this is a good one to do. Thank you for joining the video. If you liked this, please go to my website, thelovegym.org. I will see you next time.